suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. Love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more. You came along and you changed everything. You lift my feet off the ground. You spin me around. You make me crazier, crazier. Feels like I'm falling tonight. Lost in your eyes. You make me crazier, crazier, crazier. You came along and you changed everything. You lift my feet off the ground. You spin me around. You make me crazier.
Hello, Miming Kong, love you. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo, balalang kong. Huwag gagayahin yung gangster na nanay mo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! First birthday mo na, balalang. Balalang Junior. Love you. Babait ka ha. Behave ka. Alam ko naman, good girl ka eh. Para kasi magmana ka sa nanay mo. Sa mama mo, na gangster. Memeng gangster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ang bilis, ang bilis. Nagtarang nung umuwi ka dito, nasa tummy ka pa lang. Ngayon, 1 year old ka na.
Harley Quinn, happy birthday. Sana matuloy na kayo dito para magkita na tayo. Tsaka yung bakulalang kaya kami pagdating mo dito. Sige, God bless you na lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Ming.
Hi, my baby Harley Quinn Beat. Happy first birthday to you, Little Bossing. 1 year ka na, bilis mong lumaki. Parang kailan lang. Thank you for all the cute smiles and giggles. Tita is always here to love you and be your forever kakampi. Dito lang si Tita lagi para sa'yo. I love you so much and I miss you.
Happy first birthday sa'yo, Meng Meng. Ang wish namin sa'yo magkakapatid ay sana maging healthy ka. We love you. See you soon.
Happy first birthday, Harley Quinn Biati, and happy birthday, Tita Louie. Happy first birthday, Ming Ming.
To my inaanak, Harley Quinn, happy first birthday to you. God bless always. Always remember your ninong. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Harley Quinn.
Happy first birthday, Biati. I love you.
Happy first birthday, Mingming.
Happy birthday, Mengay.
Happy birthday, Harley Quinn.
Biati. Bigyan na ng tita. Bigyan na ng lola.
Happy birthday, Harley Quinn. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Harley Quinn. We love you.
Happy first birthday, Harley Quinn Beati, and happy
Happy first birthday, Harley Quinn Beati. We love you.
Happy first birthday! Miss na tayo ni Lola. Pag nagpakasyon tayo sa Pinas, sabihin niyo sa akin, sasabay ako, magpapakasyon din ako. At
Hello Harley Quinn, happy birthday. This is Ninong Rog from Dubai. We love you.
happy birthday sa inyong anak na si Harley Quinn, aka Mengay. More blessings. Sana ay marami pang dumating na blessings sa buong pamilya nyo. Happy birthday ulit sa baby ninyo. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Bye!
Happy birthday, Harley Quinn.
And happy birthday, Tita Shensha. We miss you and you take care of us always. We believe in you and we hope that you'll come home and we will see what Meng looks like.
Happy birthday, Harley Quinn Beati.
Happy first birthday, Beati.
Happy first birthday, Mingming.
Hi, inaanak. Happy birthday sa iyo. Ang wish ko sa iyo is lumaki ka mabait na bata. Always in good health. And God-fearing. You know that you are your parents' greatest gift. And I hope you will enjoy this day. And I hope to see you soon also. Love you!
happy birthday, Mengay.
Happy birthday, Harley Quinn. You are such a blessing to your parents, and I am grateful to be one of your godparents. I wish you a lifetime full of love, happiness, and blessings, and I hope we can meet each other soon. Happy birthday, princess! Mwah.
Happy birthday, Harley. Be a good girl. Hi, Harley. Wish you a happy first birthday. God bless you with all the happiness from Vikram. Thank you. Happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday, Harley Quinn.
Happy birthday. May God bless you, shower you with all the grace from God, and always be a good girl to your parents. Love you.
Happy birthday, Harley Quinn. May inaanak. Love you.
Hello, inaanak. Happy birthday. Naway pagpalain ka ng Diyos, bigyan ka ng mabuting kalusugan at mahabang buhay. Laging tandaan, nandito lang si Ninang, maging matapang sa pagharap ng mga pangarap. I love you!